Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2023 Volvo S90 V6 all-wheel drive plus. This is finished in crystal white metallic. And the plus features on this vehicle include the bright chrome bars in the front grille, bright chrome window surrounds, 360 surround view camera system, and the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Starting up here at the driver front wheel, great shape. Just a small spot of what looks like a little bit of curb rash. I didn't see any other dents or dings on my walk around. And back here at the driver rear wheel, really good shape, no curb rash, no scratches. I'm sorry, these are 20-inch black diamond cut alloy wheels. Front and rear parking sensors. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Almost like new. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, same as the rear, great shape, no curb rash, and no scratches. There's up here just below the Volvo emblem. You have your front forward-facing camera there, as well as your cameras there on the side view mirrors. Take you to the interior. Nice white leather upholstery. Beautiful wood inlays. Aluminum door sill guards. Lots of space back here for the rear passengers. Got dual zone climate control back here, as well as 3-stage heated seats. Big panoramic sunroof. And up here to the business end. Driver memory settings. Harmon Kardon surround sound system. Nice big digital display. Got 3-stage heated front seats up here, as well as the heated steering wheel function. Automatic gearbox. And a multi-function steering wheel. Fully digital instrument cluster. So we'll show you your navigation up there. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call, 614-793-1050. And there will be over 100 photos of this vehicle on our website at autoassets.com.